Hey, what's up YouTube? Wellington here, and welcome to another sound battle where we let speakers speak for themselves. In the battlefield, today we have the Bose Revolve Plus versus the JBL Xtreme. Now, I know the Xtreme is a lot bigger than the Revolve Plus, but the point of the video is to compare the biggest portable Bluetooth speaker that Bose offers right now to the biggest portable speaker that JBL offers, and the price points are kind of comparable. If size matters to you, you know which one to get of the two. But if you're curious of how these two compare sound-wise, sit back and relax, cause that's what we are doing here. On a side note, I'm doing a thank you giveaway, so if you haven't watched that video, I'll put a link to it in the description section so you don't miss a chance to win one of the things I'm giving away. The link will be in the description to that video. Back to this video, the speakers will be playing at 60% volume and at 100% volume. I'll be using a high quality binaural microphone, so please use headphones for the best experience. With that said, let's hear the speakers speak.
Be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced, and I'm gonna tell ya, don't hate me cause I get attention.
Suicide bombing like I'm straight at it acid. Lights, camera, action, I'm the main attraction. Call me heartbreaking like I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. I am so real, this real life. I be moving fast, push away like Miami Vice. I ain't got no time to waste, it's finally my time. How can chase the money in this city, a bright light. Working day, I'm running late. Money all days when I lose sight. Just wanna hang, but we alright. I fight from those just for the light. Repair for the face in the all we right. I'm makes the time and shine real bright. Get it when I spin it, I'm so sick with it. I'm in the back of when it make that spin.
there you have it. Right off the bat, the Xtreme is louder than the Revolve Plus, which is something I was expecting considering the size difference. The Revolve Plus has a fantastic 360 sound, which is more room-filling and sounds wider compared to the Xtreme, which is directional and sounds like it. And by like it, I mean it sounds directional. The vocals on the Revolve Plus also sounded better than the Xtreme. On the other hand, the Xtreme has better stereo separation, which is kind of expected here, somewhat better bass performance too, and better definition in the highs, most especially at maximum volume. And honestly, if you plan on listening at maximum volume, the Xtreme is what you want without a doubt. The Revolve Plus sounds pretty bad at maximum volume compared to the Xtreme, and that's not me exaggerating. So in my opinion, the Xtreme takes the lead in this battle. But if the design, size, premium feel, and the true 360 sound matters to you, the Revolve Plus is what you need here. But that's just me, and sound is so subjective. I'd like to hear what you guys have to say about this tool in the comment section below. If you're new here, please subscribe so you don't miss out on the upcoming great videos. Thanks for watching this one. Don't forget to hit the like button, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.